always in the world. Why it started only 10 years back?
So there are other contributing factors, like because of increase in the population here and the vehicular pollution, and because of formation of what is called there is a because of the heat, because of the urbanization here, so it gets trapped the air. Earlier it was not a phenomenon because of this, because it would flow, and right now it is restricted. So I think
What
that
should
is
be done?
So the solution should be always multi-pronged. First of all, incentives can be provided there in to the farmers, and there are laws in place that will penalize them if they are burning. Another thing is that if you promote public transportation here in Delhi.
But no impact has been made by the laws and the penalties.
Yes, sir. Because
this year was as bad as it was last year.
Yes, sir. Because proper implementation has not happened. That's one. And another thing is that
and why the proper implementation has not happened?
Sir, because I think that 3-4 state governments is involved, and there is a lack of political will from their side. I think that would be the major reason, sir.
We define political will.
So political will would be, sir, the determination of the present government, either state or any central also. So the determination to implement laws or to take the state and country as a whole to a greater development level.
Why do I call it political will? It is mere willingness to enforce. How is it different from political will?
Sir, because political will, we see that the real power is with the political leaders.
Right.
So if they are not willing.
Why they are not willing?
So I think that because if they are implementing any policy, they are looking into their political side also, if they are affecting their voters. So I think that is the major reason. And sorry, sir.
It's a vote bank politics.
Yes, sir.
Don't want to annoy your voters.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Let's go to Bihar.
Right.
Bihar continues to suffer, remain at the bottom of the totem pole, as they say.
Yes.
Despite claims to the contrary, last 10 years Bihar had remained at the bottom.
Yes, sir.
What are the factors?
So there are several factors. First of all, the historical factor. So because of Permanent Settlement Act, and also because of export freight liberalization policy, we see that Bihar was at disadvantageous position. First, and second, we see that because of political instability in 70s, 80s, and 90s also. Because of we see that Bihar has not developed as compared to other states.
Biharis seem to make an excuse of this freight equalization norms rules.
Yes, sir. Currently, the main reason I would say, if we see the 90s, because of caste-based politics that had happened. So if caste is the front thing, then development would take the back seat. So I think that would be the major reason.
What is the GDP of Bihar?
So it is 5.5 lakh crore, $81 billion.
And what is the GDP of Mumbai?
Sir, I am not aware of it. But since Mumbai is the financial capital of India, then it must be.
Okay, let us come to Delhi. The GDP of Delhi.
GDP of Delhi is above Bihar, and if we compare the states, then Delhi is at 12th position and Bihar is on 14th position, if I am able to recall correctly.
What is the country's GDP, India's GDP?
$2.9 trillion.
And it makes how much per capita GDP?
So per capita is close to $2,000.
How do you calculate per capita GDP?
Sir, we calculate first gross national income and then divide it with.
You have a paper and a pencil, please do it.
Say per capita GDP.
How much is it?
Sir, GDP by population.
What is the figure that will come?
So it is $2231.
Okay. Tell me, see this. This is a very important figure, the population.
Yes, sir.
If population were less, the GDP would be more.
Per capita GDP.
Per capita.
Yes, sir.
What should we do to see that the population is controlled? And why are we not able to be successful in this?
So we had in the past several population policies, national population policies, but it was not that of success. But if you see the total fertility rate, it has been decreasing over the years. Right now it is 2.3, and if it becomes 2.1, then we reach a stability in population. That is called stabilized population. So several steps can be taken. First, I think that.
And what is the rate in Bihar?
So it is one of the highest, 3.3 or 3.1.
So why Bihar we are not able to do anything in the population matters?
Because I feel that's a.
Does caste have anything to do with it?
Yes, sir. I think there's a level of development is the biggest reason if population is increasing, and if you see that Bihar is consistently at the bottom level, so because of that fertility rate is quite high. So if people are not educated, then and also the health facilities, these are the determinants of population.
Okay, my last question.
Yes,
how
sir.
much is $1 billion in rupees?
So $1 billion, so 7,000 crores.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shubham. We'll call you for feedback.
Thank you, sir.
When we press the bell, you come inside.
Yes, thank you, sir. May I go in, sir?
Shubham, come. Sit down. How do you think you have done?
Average or above average, I would say.
Above average, okay. Well, we have evaluated you. In our opinion, there are many plus factors. You can speak well, fluent, articulate, arguments were well made, but you look nervous and tense. Try to put a smile on your face and look relaxed, okay?
Yes.
That may help you. Don't feel so tense and anxious. Otherwise, you have a lot of potential. You should do well, in our opinion. You should succeed. Now, some tips we want to give you, and we will do it one by one. First, I will start with the questions that I asked.
Yes.
Real estate sector difficulty.
I have to look into that.
You can look into it, but major problem you said, unsold inventory is there.
Yes.
But what has happened is that these builders are over leveraged, as we say. They were over leveraged, which means they have borrowed more than what they should have. You know, you must have done project financing in your IIT. So the debt equity ratio has to be around 70 to 30. But if you borrow more and have less of equity, then you say you are over leveraged. Okay.
Yes.
So these builders were over leveraged, and on top of that, they diverted funds.
Yes, sir. Yeah,
from one housing project to another, or to some of them, of course, misutilized also. So that led to a scam. So these are the problems they are facing. Besides some other factors you mentioned, like government has taken steps to curb black money in the sector.
Yes.
So that has also in a way restricted fund flow to this. This is about the real estate sector. Takeout financing, well, you are not really supposed to know that, but I asked you because you were answering so many questions on financing. Takeout financing is, when initially when a project is launched, some banker would lend to that project. for 5 years or 6 years. After that 5-6 years, he will come out and some other financial institution will take over.
Will refinance.
Yes, not refinance. Refinance is different. This is takeout finance. This banker will come out and some other financial institution will take his place. Contract enforcement. This was, I thought, important point for you.
Yes.
Because civil engineering contracts run into difficulty.
Yes.
And even other contracts, there are problems. So arbitration is one which is always standard clause is provided for in every contract, be it local arbitration or in international contracts, even arbitration outside the country is provided for. They have no confidence.
Yes.
From north to Delhi,
Yes.
right? Monsoons are coming back, so wind flows this side. So with the result that now the crop is being sown in the month of June, and it's ready only at the end of September and early October.
Yes. Sir, I read this in newspaper that
Yeah.
because to reduce the stress on water.
There is a controversy theory. There is a conspiracy theory also on this, that it is the American interests who wanted this to be done. They only said a lot of groundwater. This water is wasted.
Yes. Sir.
In the in April, May. It should be later when the monsoon is close by. But many experts say that rice fields use as fill up the aquifers, and they actually enrich the groundwater rather than take it away. But probably the American interests wanted India to grow maize rather than rice. That's why the Monsanto and other companies pushed this, that rice should be grown at this time. That is causing these are the recent research which shows by pollution. Vehicles have increased, of course. In last 10 years, Delhi must have added 5 lakh air conditioners.
Not aware.
Yeah, but the number of air conditioners that has been added, which nobody talks about. The number of cars that are added, the same number of air conditioners are added, maybe 2-3 times of that. And even the car, all the cars have air conditioners.
Yes.
And motor vehicles, of course, are with this. Then we were talking about, you are good in that calculation. Your GDP, I think, is okay. Wish you all the very best.
Thank you, sir. And sir, I have written interacting with people as my hobby. So what kind of questions can I expect on this?
Chatting with people.
No, sir, interacting with people.
Interacting with.
Yes, from people from diverse socio-cultural backgrounds.
What questions can you think of in this?
Look, let me give you a general answer. Anirudh, you can never predict the trajectory of the interview.
Yes.
Right. You must have got something in mind when you gave this as a hobby.
Yes, sir.
Think about it and come up with something reasonable which will impress the panel.
Sir,
offhand, because I have not given this, I cannot think of anything.
Sir, I prepared it that someone can ask me that interacting is a general thing, then how can it be a hobby? So like if I am interacting with a purpose in mind, then that becomes as a hobby. Like
maybe you learn from others by interacting
sir.
with others. You learn from others.
shed
learn
my
from their
prejudices.
experiences
Yes, sir.
and
Maybe from their experience.
Yes, sir.
And it's a good entertainment. Instead
Yes,
of
sir.
sitting at home, if a person interacts with friends or with others from the society, then it's a good entertainment also, besides learning experience.
Yes, sir. Like if I am in village, then I interact with farmers and there, and
Man is a social animal.
right.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.